Welcome back to Dine Story. Today we will see how to make potato jacket beef kofta. Make sure to subscribe and on the bell icon for all the latest updates. Here I took 4 small potatoes, and even you can choose a medium sized potatoes. Cut the potato into half and you take your time using a small spoon. Take off the flesh in the middle carefully, like a jacket, without cutting the edge, because these are going to act as a bowl for the delicious beef kofta. In a pot, boil some water and then add the potatoes. Then boil until it's half cooked and take it off. I'm going to make a coating where I will dip the half cooked potatoes. 1.5 tablespoon all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon corn flour, half a teaspoon gram powder, and then add 1 beaten egg. Mix it together. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add little water. Mix it and make a fine coating. Dip the half-cooked potato one by one and do the crumb coating in the breadcrumbs. In a pan, add enough oil. Once the oil is hot, deep fry the potatoes until it's golden brown. Now let's make beef kofta mixture. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon Kashmir chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon cumin powder, and then add 1.5 tablespoon roasted gram powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it very well until everything combines. Add half a tablespoon chopped coriander leaves and combine very well. And now I'm going to make a small tiny balls where it can fit in the potato jackets. In a medium flame, heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is hot, Add 1 small white onion paste. Add 1 chopped green chili. Add half a teaspoon Kashmir chili powder, half a teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. Stir it very well. Add salt lesser than 1/4 teaspoon. Once everything cooked for few seconds, add 1 small tomato paste. Give it a good stir, and then now I'm going to add the beef kofta balls. Once you add the balls, fold them without breaking the balls. And add little water and give it a good stir for few seconds. Now close the lid and cook it for 20 minutes in a low flame until the balls will cooked very well. Let's check after 20 minutes. It's cooked very well and still some more juice is there. Now add half a tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Cook it for few more minutes until everything cooks very well, and now the beef kofta is ready. The potato jacket got so many ways you can prepare them, but this is really interesting way because here you get crunchy potato jacket and delicious beef kofta. All of them yummy extra filling. Thanks for watching and see you on next video.